Hello, it's Monday, July 21. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon. We are underway, getting ready to head out. Props to my cousins up here in New Jersey that let us park everything up here. So we flew back to Palm Beach, and this thing's been sitting here for a month. So we're going through it, checking the oil, checking the air pressure. Just got done draining the water tank. It was mostly full. Kind of ashamed to drain that water out, but it was sitting in there for a while. So we're gonna fill it up with the fresh stuff. Let's see if she cranks. This is all right. It will be good if it does. Lovely, lovely. Camera's working. What'd you say, honey? No, I didn't. So yeah, we went grocery shopping. Like $130 worth of groceries. So we got 2 suitcases to unload. Barbara's been busy as like crazy unpacking. We need to vacuum the floor. See what's going on in the back here. And just putting stuff away. I think we'll maybe put the suitcases in there. This is all wet down here. Tracking in a bunch of mud and stuff. Yeah, the water. Alright, we can shut that off. That's close enough to being drained. Let me shut my little custom-made little rig up here. I always keep a paper towel handy. There's always something that dribbles right there like that. Okay, so that's the drain. The rest of those valves stay where they are. I'll roll this up, put this away, and I'm going to unhook the dolly so I can, what's going on? Yeah, I need to unhook the dolly. Where we have to get the water, we have to back in on the other side of the building here, and it's kind of tight, so it'll be easier if I unhook. Then we'll fill up with water, and we'll be underway pretty soon. Alrighty, it's almost 4 o'clock, and we're finally getting ready to head north.